this is me, Missy. Ayan. Wait lang, kati. Ano kati? Finally, okay. Next up na siya. So, we got the new sketchbook. Look at that, so pretty. And it's so aesthetic. Before we start, I'll color our hands. Oh my god. Tama, yung drawing ko. No. So, dito ko muna ilalagay gamit ko kasi binaiwan ko yung drawers ko at home. Like, I don't have a drawer. So, this is tanggalin na natin. Tapos, ito guys. Ito muna si Hello Kitty.
Hindi nalalaglag na ano?
Hindi ko na alam. Ito si Hello Kitty guys, first page. Ang nakasabit
Ang dami kong ano, puti-puti.
Hello Kitty is a cute character. She is from Sanrio characters. Heart. I love Hello Kitty. She is very cute and pretty. Look. We have the next one.
Why are you there?
This, it says here, this is Kuromi from Sanrio characters.
Kid, go to your place.
She is known for her cuteness and pretty. She is very cool and that's all. Nakasabi dito. Kuromi and cute. Kanina ko lang ito ginawa. Tapos ito naman si Cinnamoroll. This is Cinnamoroll. Like Kuromi, she is cute. And her cute white outfit is cuteness overload. Ayun lang. Tapos ito yung guys yung favorite flower ko. Tulips. This is my favorite flower. It is pretty and cute. Meron pa tayo dito. My best friends. Jaya, full name, Maxine Jaya A. Senado. Natalia, full name, Natalia Luna. Elsha Rose is B. Torres. Nisi Zina C. Guillami. Rina, Abby, Mavis Bay, October 24, 2020. Ayan. Bye guys.